Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video. Before starting, I would request you all to please subscribe to this channel as this channel needs your support. Also access this cybersecurity playlist. Link of the playlist is in the description box. Today we are going to learn everything about firewall you need to know. So let's get started. What is a firewall? A firewall is a security system that acts like a protective barrier for your computer or network. It monitors and controls incoming and outgoing data to block unauthorized access while allowing legitimate communication. Think of it as a gatekeeper that decides what traffic is allowed or denied based on a set of rules. Why is a firewall important? Just like a physical gate keeps unwanted visitors out of your house, a firewall protects your network from hackers, malware, and viruses. Ensures only safe and approved data can enter or leave your system. Helps prevent unauthorized access to your private information. How does a firewall work? 1. Incoming traffic. When data tries to enter your system, the firewall checks if it's from a trusted source. 2. Outgoing traffic. It ensures your system doesn't send sensitive data to unsafe or malicious locations. 3. Rules-based action. The firewall uses a set of rules, like a checklist, to decide. Allow, if the traffic is safe and meets the rules. Block, if it seems dangerous or suspicious. Types of firewalls. 1. Packet filtering firewall. Checks individual data packets, small chunks of data, based on rules like source/destination address and port numbers. Quick and basic but not very intelligent. 2. Stateful inspection firewall. Tracks the state of connections, e.g., if a device requested data or not. Smarter than packet filtering and provides better protection. 3. Proxy firewall. Acts as an intermediary between your network and external servers. Filters requests by analyzing the content before sending it to your device. 4. Next Generation Firewall, NGFW. Advanced firewall that combines traditional protection with new features like intrusion prevention, application control, blocking specific apps like unauthorized games or tools. 5. Software versus hardware firewalls. Software firewall, installed on individual devices, e.g. Windows Defender Firewall. Hardware firewall, a physical device connected to the network, protecting all devices. What does a firewall protect against? Unauthorized access, stops hackers from entering your network. Malware, blocks malicious files or programs. DDoS attacks, prevents attackers from overwhelming your network. Phishing attempts, stops harmful links or websites. What a firewall does not do. It doesn't detect all types of intrusions like insider threats or advanced attacks. It can't remove malware already inside your system. It isn't a replacement for antivirus software or an intrusion detection system, IDS. Examples of firewall use. Personal use. Your laptop's built-in firewall, like in Windows or macOS, protects you while browsing the internet. Corporate use. Companies use hardware firewalls to protect their entire network from external attacks. With this we have reached end of our tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. I would like to request you to post your comments regarding topics which you want to be covered in this course. See you in the next video. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn cybersecurity. And do not forget to subscribe and access this cybersecurity playlist. Thank you.